Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have this little shirt which is apparently water-proven or resistant and is protecting you from the sun better than other clothing, and it is from MEETWEE. So, yeah, I'm kind of excited to see what this is all about. It's basically sportswear, I would say, and they kind of advertise it with water sports as well. So since I was going to start some subbing this summer, I thought why not check this out. So we ordered the white version. Feels really nice, not gonna lie. It's interestingly though, it feels like it's gonna be stretchy and the arms are a little longer than your average t-shirt, I would think. Got a random logo here in silver. It's pretty plain, but just the way I would prefer it, to be honest, at least for sports. Not much going on here, and let's actually see how good it is for water resistance. So we're in the bathroom now, and I would say we open up the water here, and then we're just gonna put it right on the shirt and see if it soaks or if it's um, gonna, yeah, not go into the fabric. As you can see here, it is already moving quite a bit. And all peeled off, kinda ish, and you can see all the drops rushing around because they can't find a way in, which is good. It looks like a good. Let's put it to harder tests and put in a little sprout here, a little pedal, and as you can see, I can actually like move that around and it's still coming off. So yeah, that's pretty good. Not gonna lie. Um, I will try and put even more in here, but let's see if it's actually wet. There's a little spot which the water penetrated through, but like all in all, it's not bad. As you can see, it's just rushing over the fabric. It's not soaking at all, and that's what it is. So this is what the shirt looks when you have it on. So I would say it's a pretty nice fit. Looks good, complements your body. I mean, I'm not a buff guy at all, and still I feel like super sporty in this shirt, not gonna lie about that. It fits nicely. I got all the movements and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be it, you guys. So take care. My name is Badger and I'm out. Bye bye.